your cop crush. Think about your crush.
Youth percent.
Climate action! Climate action! Climate action!
Morning. Thank you. Thank you, Edna, for the invitation. And I love coming to this forum. You know why? It makes me feel young. Colleagues, friends, it's always a pleasure joining you and be part of your program. And once again, I'm filled with renewed sense of optimism and renewed sense of pride to be here and witness how much passion and energy you have all dedicated to yourself in the fight for the justice. And following the release of the IPCC report, which I have much faith in, I'm sure you all do well too. You have the same faith in the IPCC report, which re-stresses the point that we really have to up our ambition to 1.5 degrees. Unfortunately, the struggle ahead will never be easy. Any struggle is never easy. And I ask you all to focus or to complete attention on what you can do, individually and also collectively. Friends, you also have the power through your keyboard, the camera, and spoken word to make a genuine difference. You have a moral right to demand action, to highlight the agency of concerted effort at every level and at every forum. This is why the Fijian presidency with the Tauranga Dialogue is so important to this process. The Tauranga Dialogue has given you the space to air your voice and engage in the process, knowingly full well that your space in the actual process is quite limited. Presided by the Fiji and the COP in Poland, the Tauranga Dialogue will be the centerpiece for COP24 and will bring together party and non-party stakeholders, regions, cities, civil societies, private sector, and scientific community to increase global emission to meet the goals of the Paris Agreement. I'm so very proud to look around this room here to see many young women here today. For each of you presents voice of millions of vulnerable young women and children. Women and girls are both critically vulnerable to some of the worst effects of climate change and vital to the effect of response, not only in the world around this part of, but also in my part of the world. Fiji acknowledges that this world will have any hope to achieving our collective goal of limiting the average temperature to 1.5 degrees. Women must be involved. Gender Action Plan encourages all parties to nominate a national gender focal point for their country. This nominated person must ensure that Gender Action Plan and gender equity, equality, and inclusiveness are kept in forefront of your national initiatives and priorities. Friends, as all of you are here today, I urge you to keep in contact with each other. It's so important. Strengthen your network, maintain your friendship, and your commitment to this process. Because when you come to the negotiation spaces, this friendship that you have developed will help you to easily bring resolutions and for the sake of our future. With these words, I thank you for each one of you and encourage you to visit the Pacific Pavilion and join us for further discussions. Thank you and Vinaka Wakalevu.